welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. So today I'm doing a how to become Anna from Frozen. So if you do not know already from the many videos I have explained, my job aside from YouTube is a children's party entertainer where we dress up as all sorts of characters. So we have superheroes and we have princesses. So the whole company there is available for parties and events and social events and house visits. So the characters I play is Anna, obviously, a unicorn princess, Belle, Rapunzel and Mary Poppins. So I decided to start a series on my channel where I show you how I become the characters. I show you the makeup tutorial, how to put on the wig, the outfits, I show you their poses and photos because each character has a different pose. I show you the accent for each one and how I portray. I give you a few backstories and speeches of what I say as the character and how I become them. So if you are looking to cosplay these characters, try them out for yourself or do the same job as me, then this is exactly the video you want to watch. So this is episode 1 and today I am Anna from Frozen. Without talking any much more, let's just get into the video where I start with the makeup tutorial. Lego. So I'm going to be starting with putting in contacts. Start with eye primer. I always start definitely on the eyes when I do princesses. I just don't want any fallout. Now I am using the shade Strange in the Naked 3 palette. This is literally just because it's a shade on my skin, so you could choose a powder really. And I go to set the primer or whatever you're using. So I'm going to be going into this Revolution Redemption palette and I'm going to be using the brownie grey shades up here, the outer corner and crease, because Anna has quite natural eye makeup and I do want to show this through her makeup. Really smoking this out. I'm going to go into the James Charles palette and go for the colour Single, which is a nice purple shade, and very lightly, and put it over the middle. You get the colour but it's barely there. Anna in the movie doesn't actually have purple on her lids, but I like to do this to tie into the dress. So it's a very subtle purple. Now I'm going to be taking Colourpop I Think I Love You palette and I'm going to be taking Fancy Face. This is the warmest, most natural brown shade I can find for Anna. But then I'm going to go over the grey brown and warm up the brown. Literally, that is the eyeshadow done. We're going to now do a little bit of highlighter in the brow bone in the inner corner. So I'm going to be using Colourpop I Like Your Face palette and using Bottomless because it's a very icy colour which matches Elsa. Have a wing for her eyeliner. She just kind of has it straight. So I'm using the L'Oreal Superstar eyeliner and I'm literally just going to go across the lash line. Is really need for Anna, so I'm going to go do the other eye. Okay, so now I've done the eyeliner, I'm going to go do my mascara before putting on lashes. So I'm going to go curl my lashes now. I'm starting with their Real Mascara. It separates my lashes and lengthens them. And then on top of them, I use number 7 Dramatic Lift, just to add volume. And I like to put a lot on the bottom lashes so that they have a good ratio with the upper lashes. So now we're going to put eyelash glue on my lashes. Let the glue dry. It does dry clear. It's just because the glue is actually quite messy and I don't like that glue. Both my eyes and lashes all complete. I'm now going to be putting on my bald cap for the wig. Now the reason I do this before my face makeup is because then it's acting like a hairnet where it's literally just keeping all my hair out of my face so I can literally get foundation and like my makeup in everywhere. There are two sides to it and how you put it on. You find the bit where the edging up the top curls in. So as you can see on the other side, it curls out, right? We want that on the inside so it is covered. So we put it on from the bottom and the top and put it right over your eyebrows, right over your ears, and then I like to pull it up right until it's at the edge of my hairline. Because I have short hair, it's very difficult to get all my baby hairs in. If you have longer hair, what I used to do was do 2 braids and then pin them up first, but because I have short hair, I just have to do this. Now I'm going to be putting on primer, and this is number 7 Instant Illusions Airbrush Away Primer. Blusher. Now this is a big thing with Disney princesses because they have a lot of it. They're very known for the rosy cheeks. It makes them look more girly and more pretty. So I'm using Dandelion blusher and really layering it on. And don't worry, this is going to be covered by Anna's freckles mostly. There we go. So it isn't too much, but it's definitely there. I might use Rock a few times just to darken it up. And then I might just go over with a powder brush, just because this is a really good blending brush. So now we're going to go into highlighter, and I'm going to be going back with I Like Your Face, and we're going to go in with the same highlighter we used earlier. So, and my tip of my nose, because I like to do that. Brows. Now I do these quite dark because they're not shown much under the fringe. Going to be doing the freckles, and I will be using the Hoola bronzer for this. So how I do it, there's a little brush that comes in. I break it all apart by dabbing it in, and then I usually get a brush, like the tip of a brush, and then I dab in and grab all the little wispies because they've all come out now, and then I dot. Now your dots can be as big as you want because honestly, the moment you brush them away, the idea, you want these to show up on camera. Big enough and bold enough to be shown on camera, but you don't want kids in real life to look at you and be like, they're not real. Just an example, I've done all this. I am brushing it away now. Barely noticeable. Step is to be doing some lipstick, and I'm doing a quite pinky look, and this is L'Oreal in the colour 633 Mocha Chick, and it is matte. That is the Anna look complete. I would usually spray this with a setting spray, but I lost that. It went behind a drawer and I can't get the drawer out, so it's actually really annoying. But now I'm going to go get changed. So the first part of her outfit is this blue jacket. It's really silky, so I'm going to be putting that on. And the great thing with this outfit, if it's freezing outside, you're in a party or an entertainment or an event, you just put it on over regular clothes. You do get changed before the wig goes on, it's just easier that way. And now I'm going to go put on the dress. So I am now in the dress, and as you can tell, it is a little bit big for me. I could do with it being taken in, but what covers it is the cloak. So it is just a clip, a hook one. There you go. Hooks on like so, and then you bring the cape round, and there's Anna. Now let's go finish this off and get her wig on. Comes on a little head. It's quite a small head space to get it on. So you go from the front first, and then you go around and you get your little like ponytail hooked under, and you make sure that it's over your entire hairnet. Now remember, I'm doing this without a mirror, so bear with me. And then at the back there is a clip, so I'm going to turn around and do it so I can show you. So there's one end of it here, and there's another one somewhere, I've got to find it. So it is usually, you saw that band, there's a band on one side and a band on the other, and then you clip them together at the back. At the moment, I can't find the other side of that band. Sometimes it's caught in the hairnet or whatever. I'm now going to take some hairpins because you definitely need to pin this thing in place so it stays all day. Forward and pin it. See the difference? You need to pull this right forward and pin. I never zipped up the side of this dress. I do apologise. There we go. Sorry if you noticed that from the beginning. I do like to do a bow often. It does keep coming out. So this is on all our characters in my work have talk American accents. Now please don't judge my American accent. Of course I am British doing an accent, so I am never going to be spot on, but I like to think that I do it quite well. So I'm first going to do my introduction as Anna, what I say to all the children. Hi, my name's Anna and I'm from Arendelle. What's your name? Why, isn't that such a lovely name? I love your dress. Olaf would be so jealous of your dress. He loves fashion. You wouldn't believe it, but he does. And then after I introduce and we do that and we sit down, we'd like to talk to them. So this is what I did around Christmas first of all. Are you looking forward to Christmas? I know, I am so excited. Did you write a list to Santa? What was the top of your list? You wanted dolls? That's so cool. You know what I asked for? I asked for new ice skates because, well, I'd been using them a lot around the palace and I kind of wore them out already because I was going on the kitchen floor and not on ice. But now that we're out, me and Elsa go all the time. We used to go when we were little, but I tend to fall a little bit because I'm really, really clumsy. That's okay because me and Olaf fall together and like, it's really, really funny. Elsa always laughs at us. She's really, really good. Have you ever been ice skating? You have? Have you done dancing on it? That is so much fun. Well, I definitely think you've been good, so I definitely think Santa will come visit you. I'm so excited for Christmas. So another thing I might talk about is favourite food. So if they're eating party food or just as a general conversation topic. So here's how it would go. What are you eating there? A sandwich? That's so cool. What have you got inside? Chicken? That's so nice. I love chicken, but you know what I like to put in it? I like to put chips inside. Yeah, you wouldn't believe it, but it's so cool when you get the crunch and stuff. I showed Kristoff and he took a bite and it was so good. What's your favourite food? That's so cool. I love that. You know my favourite food? Chocolate. Me and Elsa love chocolate and I could eat and eat and eat it. Now this bit I might say in the summer when it's really, really hot out. It is so hot and I really miss Olaf, you know. He was so looking forward to the summer, bless him, but he just melted. I don't think he understood that snow just doesn't stay snow in the summer, it becomes water, and so we had to put him in a jar, but we put all his buttons and his parrot nose. I think I kind of go dumb with the accent, so with Anna, she's very energetic. She doesn't know a lot about the world because she's not been exploring. She's very naive, and so I make her very young with her voice, and I make her very bouncy and adventurous. I mean, compare her to Elsa or a character like Pocahontas. She's very, very childish and young. She's a lot like Rapunzel from Tangled. Yeah, that's how I portray Anna. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you her poses for what she does in pictures. And I'm going to be showing you the whole outfit of this. Here is the outfit, and I'm going to do a little 12 here. I'm going to be showing you her poses in photos now because Anna does have her distinct poses. So her first one, which is definitely my favourite because it just shows it's her a lot more. And that is hand behind the back, shoulders really tight. She also does a hand on the hip. She also does a thing where she holds a plait, she turns to the side, one hand on and foot out, and she smiles. Are all her poses. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please smash a big thumbs up to tell me that you did. Comment down below which are the next 4 characters you'd like to see next. Would you like to see Belle from Beauty and the Beast, Unicorn Princess, Rapunzel from Tangled, or Mary Poppins next? Subscribe if you had not subscribed already. Maybe turn on post notifications too so you never miss out on another princess look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so very much and I will see you in my next video. Bye!